In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Notion calendar into Notion. Before we jump in, there's one important truth to understand so you don't waste time. You can't directly embed the full Notion calendar app into a Notion page right now. The standalone Notion calendar is great for planning, but it doesn't live inside a page as an embedded app. What does work is connecting a Notion database to a calendar view inside Notion. Think of it this way. Notion to calendar works well, while calendar back into a Notion page is limited. So the correct, reliable method is to use a Notion database and show it as a calendar. This is how almost everyone does it, and it's the official way to add a calendar in Notion. Here's how to set it up. First, open Notion. You can do this in the desktop app or in your browser. Both work the same for this process. Next, create a database or open an existing one where you want your calendar to live. A database in Notion is simply a structured list of pages with properties. Think tasks, events, or content ideas. If you already have a database that holds the items you want to schedule, you're a step ahead. Now, add a date property to that database. This is key. The calendar view relies on a date property to know where each item belongs on the calendar. If your database already has a date property, you're set. Otherwise, add a new one and name it something clear like date or event date so it's easy to recognize later. Then, click the Add View button at the top of your database. This is where you tell Notion how you want to see your data. Choose Calendar as the view type. You can give the view a name if you like, but the default is fine. That's it. Your calendar is now inside Notion. Each item with a date will appear on the correct day as a tile. Clicking a date shows items scheduled for that day, and opening a tile reveals the full page with all its properties. Because this is a database view, it stays perfectly in sync with your data and updates instantly as you make changes. This method is fast, flexible, and officially supported. Until Notion allows embedding the full Notion calendar app inside pages, this calendar view is the best, most dependable approach. Keep everything in one place, stay organized, and let Notion handle the layout for you. Thanks for watching, and happy planning in Notion.